Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Oster Blender is probably one of the most versatile and convenient portable blenders on the market, making it a perfect choice for those seeking a healthy and active lifestyle. Today, we will take a closer look at its features, performance, and overall value to help you decide if it's the right fit for your needs, considering factors like its portability, power, ease of use, and cleaning. Number 5. Oster My Blend Blender. This is the Oster My Blend, a convenient blender that lets you create delicious smoothies and shakes quickly and easily. It's perfect for an active lifestyle. With it, you can blend your favorite ingredients right in the included sport bottle. No more transferring drinks. The 20-ounce BPA-free plastic sport bottle is dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. It's also perfect for taking your creations on the go. It easily crushes ice thanks to its powerful motor. Enjoy perfectly blended smoothies every time. It has a built-in resettable fuse that protects it from overheating. Simply wait 15 minutes and it's ready to go again. Find creative recipes right in the instruction manual. Get started making your favorite healthy drinks today. It's compact and easy to store, measuring 15.25 by 5 by 5 inches. The 16-inch cord provides ample reach. What we like? It's a convenient blender that blends directly into a sports bottle, making it perfect for on-the-go smoothies. The bottle is also dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. If you're always on the move and need a quick and easy way to make smoothies, this is the one for you. What people say? It was well made, very useful. The operation is easy. Put your ingredients in the bottle, put the blade cover on real tight, turn it upside down, place it on the motor, then turn it about 1 inch and the motor kicks in. When you turn it, the bottle locks in, which means you can let go of the bottle. It crushes the ice cubes into slush after 20 seconds. After 30 seconds everything is frothy. Number 4. Reveuse Smoothie Blender. It boasts a powerful 300-watt motor and high-speed stainless steel blades. This makes quick work of fruits, vegetables, and even ice, creating perfectly smooth blends every time. It comes with 2 BPA-free, 18-ounce bottles, perfect for sharing healthy smoothies with family and friends. Enjoy peace of mind knowing it's made with food-grade materials. It's lightweight and compact, easily fitting in most car cup holders. Blend your smoothie directly in the bottle, add the travel lid, and you're ready to go. Simply twist and lock the bottle into place to begin blending. It's easy to clean and features an overheating prevention system for added safety. This holiday season, give the gift of healthy living. It's a thoughtful present for friends and family who appreciate convenience and healthy eating. What we like? This blender comes with 2 bottles, great for sharing with family or friends. Both bottles are BPA-free and the whole unit is lightweight and portable, perfect for taking your healthy drinks anywhere. If you are looking for a personal blender that's easy to share and take with you, this is a great option. What people say? It blends great. I make daily shakes with ice, protein powder, and veggies. The bottle and slicer I can put right in the top dishwasher rack with air dry. The bottom piece can get wiped out with a damp cloth. It is very small and stores easily as well. The slicing piece goes on the top of the bottle after you put ingredients in. You then flip it upside down and press into the base to blend. After you remove the slicing piece and add the cover with drink spout and go. The first thing I noticed were the grooves in the bottles. They made it so much easier to grab and hold onto it with painful, arthritic hands. The blades seal very well to the bottle, but not too hard where it's difficult to remove them. Number 3. Reveuse Smoothie Blender. It boasts a powerful 300-watt motor and high-speed stainless steel blades. This makes quick work of fruits, vegetables, and even ice, creating delicious smoothies and shakes with ease. It comes with 2 18-ounce BPA-free bottles. These are perfect for sharing healthy drinks with family and friends on the go. It's lightweight and compact, easily fitting in most car cup holders. Blend your drink directly in the bottle, add the travel lid, and you're ready to go. Simply twist and lock the bottle into place to begin blending. It's easy to clean and features safety mechanisms like an overheating prevention system. Give the gift of healthy and convenient blending this holiday season. It's a thoughtful present for friends and family who value a healthy lifestyle. What we like? It's just like the pink one, but in silver. This blender also comes with 2 BPA-free bottles and is incredibly portable, ideal for taking your smoothies on the go. If you prefer a sleek, silver design and want the convenience of 2 bottles, this is the perfect choice. What people say. It blends great. I make daily shakes with ice, protein powder, and veggies. The bottle and slicer I can put right in the top dishwasher rack with air dry. The bottom piece can get wiped out with a damp cloth. It is very small and stores easily as well. The slicing piece goes on the top of the bottle after you put ingredients in. You then flip it upside down and press into the base to blend. After you remove the slicing piece and add the cover with drink spout and go. The first thing I noticed were the grooves in the bottles. They made it so much easier to grab and hold onto it with painful, arthritic hands. The blades seal very well to the bottle, but not too hard where it's difficult to remove them. Number 2. Oster Personal Blender. This is the ultimate solution for creating delicious and healthy smoothies and shakes. It's powerful, convenient, and perfect for your on-the-go lifestyle. It effortlessly crushes ice and blends frozen fruits and vegetables. Say goodbye to chunky smoothies. It's incredibly simple to use, just twist and blend for perfectly smooth results every time. Nutritious smoothies are now easier than ever. They are impact-resistant, dishwasher-safe, and perfect for taking your creations with you. Enjoy your healthy drinks wherever you go. It features an all-metal drive designed for up to 10,000 blends, and comes with a 10-year limited warranty. It's an investment in your health and convenience. The spill-proof lids and included lip rings make it easy to transport and enjoy your drinks without mess. It's designed for your active lifestyle. The detachable blade assembly makes cleaning a breeze. Simply detach and clean for effortless maintenance. What we like. This blender boasts a powerful motor that crushes ice with ease and comes with 2 BPA-free bottles for your convenience. Both bottles are also dishwasher safe. If you need a powerful blender with multiple bottles and easy cleanup, this is a great pick. What people say. Simple and powerful. What's not to like? Got it as a gift for a friend. Very powerful motor. Makes great smoothies. Great that Oster made a personal blender with a metal shaft. I have a normal Oster blender, but it's cumbersome to use, so having a personal sized one with the same durability is win-win. Number 1. Oster 800-watt power blender. This blender makes blending easy. Its touchscreen controls and auto program simplify your daily tasks. It features a simplified touchscreen that's easy to clean. Just wipe it down. With 2 automatic programs, you can make perfect smoothies and salsa at the touch of a button. It boasts an 800-watt motor, effortlessly handling even the toughest ingredients. Say goodbye to chunky smoothies. The dishwasher-safe, 6-cup Boraclass glass jar is thermal shock resistant. Cleaning up is a breeze. With 6 speeds and a pulse function, it offers precise control for all your blending needs. The extra-large, 6-point stainless steel blade easily blends, slices, crushes, chops, and grinds ice and tough ingredients. It's built with an all-metal drive designed for up to 10,000 blends and backed by a 10-year limited warranty. What we like. This blender features a user-friendly touchscreen with pre-programmed settings for smoothies and salsa. It also has a powerful motor for efficient blending. If you value ease of use and powerful blending capabilities, this is the blender for you. What people say. We use for smoothies about 99% of the time. No problems, and the motor is strong. Nice touch is the glass container, not plastic. This blender has a smoothie function that makes excellent smoothies. It also does a good job at crushing ice. Love it, works so good at blendering my daughter's food. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.